Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Gaurav and let's begin. So today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing this JBL by Endurance RUN FlipHook Sweatproof earphones. It comes with a very nice packaging, right? I really like it. And shows magnetic sign. So basically what happens is these two ear pieces have a magnet attached to it, so you can hook it around your neck and they would be attached. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो it costed me around 1200 bucks. It's pretty $100. It's pretty decent for this price. You can go hands-free. So that's all in the packaging. This is what it shapes like, kind of glossy finish. Magnets, never hurt, never fall out. Okay, so this is how it opens in a book-like shape. We have it. Okay, so here are the earbuds. Comes with an two extra sets, like I guess small I have plugged in, so medium and large size, and the basic guides, bell, something in Chinese. Okay, let's keep that apart and move on. In booklets, I like the packaging though, it's very nice. Okay, silicone based, nice. Okay. Comes with a mouthpiece also. Okay, let's pour it out. Okay. Oh, nice, decent. Let's unwrap it. So if we talk about the length is pretty decent. I am 5'10" and I can keep my phone in the pocket, my device in the pocket, and it will reach out to my ears very easily, no issue on that. Okay, so if you see this MP3 or 3.5mm jack port connector, what you can see, it's quite nice. It's quite nice for this price. It's very good. Cable is also good, fine, tough. This is what a small earpiece looks like, and these are the rest of two. Again, they say it's a sweat proof, so this material is what makes it sweat proof, what won't let you sweat inside your ears. Okay, so it's very nice, right and left, good, like it. It's nice. And now I will show you the audio quality, what kind of audio quality you will get from this earphones. Okay, so as you can see, this would be the audio quality you will be receiving, or the person at the other end of the phone. If you're on a phone, it would be receiving, he or she would be receiving if you're on a call. So looks pretty decent, it's fine, it's good, I like it, and at price of 1200 which I purchased, it's pretty fine. Bass, treble and sound are very well adjusted, so it would be a very soothing experience to listen to music and stuff you want to So that was all in the review of this JBL Endurance RUN. Basically it's sports earphones. Good, nice, like it. Thank you all. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel.